The world of online entrepreneurship is constantly evolving, and with each passing year, new opportunities arise for those looking to make a living from their laptops. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent looking to make ends meet, or simply someone who wants to escape the 9-to-5 grind, there are countless ways to make money online. In this video, we will explore 5 of the most promising and accessible ways to make money online in 2023. From freelancing to e-commerce, we will provide you with practical tips and strategies to help you get started and succeed in the online world. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Social media platforms have become a great way to earn money online. If you have a large following on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can easily monetize your account. One of the most popular ways of earning money through social media is by collaborating with brands for sponsored content. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers with a large following to promote their products. The more followers you have, the more money you can earn. You can also earn money through affiliate marketing on social media. In affiliate marketing, you promote a product or service to your followers and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. There are many affiliate programs that you can sign up for, such as Amazon Associates or Share a Sale, to find products and services to promote. Another great way to make money online is by freelancing. If you have a skill or talent, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or any other, you can offer your services to clients online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile and find clients who need your skills. You can set your own rates and work on your own schedule, making freelancing a flexible and lucrative option for making money online. To generate income in this way, first of all, you must identify your skills and what you can offer to clients. This can be anything that can be sold digitally, as described earlier. Next, create a profile on a freelancing platform, such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These platforms allow you to showcase your skills and experience and connect with clients who need your services. Make sure to include a clear description of your services, your rates, and your portfolio of work. Once you have your profile set up, start searching for jobs that match your skills and interests. You can browse through job postings, or you can also apply to job requests that clients have posted. When you get a job, make sure to communicate clearly with your client about the scope of the project, deadlines, and any other requirements. It's important to maintain a good relationship with your client, as this can lead to repeat business and referrals. Finally, make sure to deliver high-quality work on time, as this is crucial for building a good reputation as a freelancer. The more positive feedback you get from clients, the more likely you are to get hired for future jobs. You can also make money online by starting your own blog or website. If you have a passion for writing, you can create a blog and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. You can also offer your own products or services, such as ebooks, courses, or coaching services, to your readers. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Choose a topic and niche for your blog or website. This can be anything that you're passionate about and have knowledge of, such as fitness, cooking, travel, or personal finance. It's important to choose a niche that you're interested in and that has a potential audience. Step 2. Create your website or blog. You can use platforms like WordPress to create your website or blog, and there are many free and paid templates to choose from. Step 3. Start creating high-quality content. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or any other type of content that you enjoy creating. It's important to create a content that provides value to your readers and that is relevant to your niche. Step 4. Monetize your website or blog. There are several ways to make money from your website or blog, such as advertising. You can place ads on your website or blog through platforms like Google AdSense. You can earn money each time someone clicks on an ad. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services on your website or blog and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Sponsored content. You can work with brands or companies to create sponsored content for your website or blog. This can include product reviews, sponsored posts, or social media campaigns. Step 5. Build your audience and promote your website or blog. It's important to promote your website or blog through social media, email marketing, and other channels to build your audience and attract more readers. Starting a blog or website can be a great way to make money online, but it does take time, effort, and persistence to build a successful online presence. By providing value to your readers and monetizing your website or blog through various methods, you can create a profitable and rewarding online business. Participate in surveys. You can also earn money online by participating in online surveys or completing microtasks. There are many websites and apps that pay you for your opinion, such as SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, or Inbox Dollars. You can also complete small tasks, such as data entry, transcribing, or testing websites on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or ClickWorker. If you are interested in this method, here's how you can get started. Sign up for legitimate survey and microtask websites. There are many websites and apps that offer paid surveys and microtasks, but it's important to be careful and do your research to ensure that you're working with a reputable platform. Then, create a profile and complete any necessary qualifications or assessments. Some websites may require you to complete a profile and provide information about your demographics, interests, or skills. You may also need to complete assessments or tests to qualify for certain surveys or tasks. Then, start taking surveys or completing microtasks. Once you're signed up and qualified, you can start earning money by completing surveys or microtasks. These tasks can vary in length and complexity, but they typically pay a few cents to a few dollars per task. Finally, redeem your earnings. Once you've earned enough money, you can redeem your earnings through various payment methods, such as PayPal, gift cards, or direct deposit. While participating in online surveys or completing microtasks may not be the most lucrative way to make money online, it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. It's important to be careful and avoid scams, and to be patient and persistent in finding the best opportunities for you. E-commerce. Starting an e-commerce business can be a lucrative way to make money online. You can sell physical products through online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, or create your own online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. With the rise of e-commerce, the potential for earning money online through selling products has never been higher. There are two main ways to start an e-commerce business: selling products through online marketplaces or creating your own online store. Online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy are popular because they already have a large customer base, which means you can start selling your products immediately without having to do much marketing. These platforms usually charge fees for using their services, but they can provide a lot of exposure for your products. Alternatively, you can create your own online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms make it easy to set up an online store, add products, and process payments. You will need to do more marketing and promotion to get your store noticed, but you will have more control over your branding and customer experience. To make your e-commerce business successful, it's important to identify a profitable niche, find quality products to sell, and optimize your listings for search engines. You will also need to provide excellent customer service, process orders efficiently, and handle returns and refunds promptly. Overall, starting an e-commerce business can be a lucrative way to make money online if you're willing to put in the effort to create a successful online store. We hope that you found the information and insights valuable and that you feel inspired to take action and start your online journey. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to Financially Focused for more content on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and online income. We would love to have you as a part of our community and to support you in achieving your financial goals. And don't forget to leave a comment below to let us know what you think of the video, share your own experiences, or ask any questions you may have. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.